how organizations today can boost digital marketing ROI success using social media analytics and by successfully integrating your pay-per-click, your PPC campaigns. So to summarize that, let's look into the four core strategies that we worked on. Understanding the customer behavior patterns. So let's say a detailed study of a website or an organization's blog statistics reveals how consumers or the prospective buyers are browsing, searching for information online and trying to engage with your brand. Yeah. So we saw the example, right? So as a job or a professional, let's say digital prospects have access to a particular information. Closely observe that, see how frequently they are engaging with it, see where are they exiting, at what stage are they exiting. So for example, if you find too many users visiting your pricing page and exiting without making a purchase, you should seriously start running a thorough scan of your competitors pricing strategies. Yeah. So similarly, we looked at paid versus organic search. There is no doubt that organic search rules in the long run for any organization, whether small or big. Search empowers brands ROI in the long run, and that too at a minuscule of a cost in comparison to the value it delivers across various SEO, branding, and different strategies. But in today's competitive world, you can't ignore your pay-per-click campaigns, yeah, paid ads, your programmatic advertisements, third-party ad tools, etc. So what we discussed there, if you let's say you're focusing as a brand, you're catering to consumers offering services that are, let's say, urgent in nature. Yeah, so you're a restaurant which offers some home delivered food during those 2 to 3 hours specific timing during lunchtime. So, or let's say you are a general practitioner. Another example we looked at was the healthcare. So we worked extensively with the healthcare and pharma companies, right? So we looked at that example where a general practitioner located at one specific address. Yeah, so they offer very niche services for those people in that location. So, and that also for a limited period of time. So these are the places where the omni-channel strategy will make sense with your pay-per-click campaigns. Yeah. So you can use callouts or functions like those extensions that we saw in the Google Ads campaigns for your brand to have that additional edge. Okay. Third point that we need to focus was target based. So a detailed analytics reports using, let's say, Google Analytics or your Facebook Insights, Twitter Insights, your LinkedIn Analytics reveals a lot about who's visiting, who's interested in your product, services, about your brand. Yeah. So make sure the content is relevant for these end users when you're continuously creating and sharing content. We looked at that concept, right? Where you don't keep pushing just your brand, product, and services all the time. Yeah. So generate genuine value add for your end users. Finally, understanding the purchasing psychology. Right? So we looked at the example where blending online and offline world together using analytics, big data, and paid ads really made the ROI shoot up by 321%.